guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a shared Google Calendar, and to do that, open up the website and then you are going to select this create new calendar. So this plus button, create new calendar, and I'm just going to name it, for instance, content creator team. Then I'm just going to select create calendar, and after that, let me just select it again. Okay, there it is. You can then go to configure right away, or if you did go back, oh, there's so much. Let me just delete some. Okay, here you're going to go to options for content creator team, select setting and sharing. So you are going to go down. You can share the link by pressing the get shareable link tab and copying the link, and then you can share it, or you can share it with specific people. You can then add people and then they can make changes and manage sharing. You can edit it later here. So that's pretty much how you can create a shared Google Calendar. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!